the way to Madakaripura Waterfall from Mount Bromo. It's from south side to north to Probolinggo City. This is Lumbang district, and in 100 meters again to see the intersection, and we take a left side in the market of Lumbang, Lumbang village. So before entrance to the Madakaripura Waterfall, we must use this helmet. This is for safety because Madakaripura is in like a valley, and then the stone from above is some become fall down. So we must have this safety with the helmet. Okay. Okay. Let me honest because first time to go here, we just see this forest, a river, and some natural view. But this is just a mainstream. But I will show you the inside. This is a history, the powerful history in Madakaripura. This is Gajah Mada. This Gajah Mada is the most popular history in Indonesia, especially in Java. This is Pateh. Pateh is the like a kingdom. This is have but in Gajah Mada have this stay here, meditation here in the waterfall. This is in the kingdom of Majapahit. This is a long time ago that this is Majapahit is the kingdom that this Indonesia become the unit is like now. This is the history of Majapahit with this Gajah Mada, Pateh Gajah Mada. Okay, let's go. Okay. It's so tired. So we talk about the trekking to here to Madakaripura Waterfall. It is. I think this is not so hard, but I think it's little bit difficult. We must cross about 5 river, cross like this, and it's about 1.5 kilometer from just walking about 1.5 kilometer with trekking like this, like you see over there, and then this is last this we enter to the Madakaripura Waterfall. Side the cliff, behind the cliff is Madakaripura Waterfall. Imagine that you enter to the last word, yes, last word. That the last word, like you enter to this area that you don't know where is it. Then you find this dinosaurs, T-Rex, and others, and then you look excited. Why like this? Just kidding. Okay, enter this is okay. You will find the waterfall, and if you curious, let me go. Okay, before we enter into the waterfall location, you must use this raincoat like this, and use this bag with the waterproof bag, and be careful with your device like your iPhone, your camera, because this is a water. So water, if you make sure your camera or your device safe from the water, use waterproof or like use it in the bag with the waterproof. Okay, let's go. Okay, here we are. This is Madakaripura Waterfall. We arrived to Madakaripura Waterfall. This is like in the valley, and this area is you can see from here on. You see on beside the cliff over there, right from this and right. You can study. Be careful if you go here because this is so dangerous. So yes, it's like you should very rock. The rock is very slippery like this. And what's your step forward? Oi, oke. Saya pastikan naik dulu ini, bro-nya. With drone avatar, we try with drone avatar. Which is the hybrid drone, because this is can be manual, can be normal mode, sport mode. So it's from this like this This area is so difficult from the family like this because we already crashed. So we try Avata with the spot modem maybe. It is now signal, no GPS. So it's very dangerous. Okay. We try. Okay, guys. Are you record kanan ya?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, record first. Oh, it's already record with spot model. So it's so because it's so tricky.
No,
Sure,
it's
yes.
good. It's nice. It's no problem.
Let's try to do spot model. Oh,
No problem.
So, yes. Okay. Come back. Okay. I will try to get this. SA is full, HD is full, and it's perfect. So this one, but with the sport model, we have a limited up. It cannot be like a giant thing. Like we just see this from the no. This is back again. Putaran. I try to. Okay. Up.